Hello dear friends, there was a query from one of the participant teachers that I should share about some whiteboard application which can be used in the mobile. So here I am going to share about it. So what you have to do is first of all go to the Google Play Store, and in the Play Store if you search for the word whiteboard, then you will find lots of applications. So out of all these, I've tried this Whiteboard and then explain everything whiteboard. These are quite good, but for initial purpose, initial use, I would suggest that you try on this first one, which is whiteboard. So this was suggested to me by one of my colleagues who is also a maths teacher, and we tried using this board in other subjects also for teaching learning purpose. In between, when something has to be written or scribbled or shared, this is quite handy and easy to use. So right now you can see that here open is written because it is already installed in my mobile, but when you will be doing it for the first time, then install word will be written over here and you have to install this. So these are the initial steps. So once it is installed, then you see how we are going to use this. So this is the icon for this whiteboard, this one. So let us explore this. So I am going to click on this, and once I click on this, then I find this white screen, and it is very handy, quite easy to use because the features are very simple. And you can see that here we have a color palette and you can pick up any color for writing, and then there is eraser also. Let me write down something. Say for example I am teaching in a maths class, and so I want to explain to students about some certain vocabulary. Say for example perpendicular. Children ask, okay ma'am, what is the spelling of perpendicular? Okay, this is how you have to write down perpendicular. What is a symbol? You explain it like this. Fine. So another, if I have to say for example do a little bit of calculation work in my class. I'm a maths teacher, so I'm explaining to you about its use in a math classroom. Say for example I have to explain easy technique for multiplying two digit numbers which are nearing 200, and I want to record a video for the children. So I can record a tutorial on this shortcut techniques. So let me take one example, 99 multiplied by 98. So keep on speaking and make your video a little bit interactive, like children are there in front of you. So for example I ask them, okay, 99 is dash short from 100. So yes, you are right, 99 is 1 short from 100, and so is 98 is 2 short from 100. So what we are going to do is, you can pick up a color now when you are doing explanation. So now we multiply 1 by 2. So 1 multiplied 2 is 2. So we will be writing here 0 2. And what is I can pick up another color, like it depends on you actually. So 99 minus 2 or 98 minus 1 gives me 97. So the answer to this particular question is 9702. So this is how you can simply explain the concepts and processes on this particular whiteboard. And say for example we are talking about like some geometry question, and we have to quickly make some figure and then label it, and then do an interaction with the children. So let me do one example. Say I talk about let ABC is a triangle, how many exterior angles are possible? So they know the concept of making the exterior angle. Okay, so first thing will be, we will be extending the side BC to the point E. So angle ACE is one exterior angle. Now let us do another, this extend CA. So when we extend CA, to the point this CF, this CF is array, then another exterior angle is formed. Similarly, extend AB to the point G, then another exterior angle will be formed. So name these exterior angles. You can pick up another color, and then okay, this is first exterior angle. What is its name? How do you read it? Angle ACE. Side by side, keep on writing also. This is another exterior angle. What is the name? Angle FAG. And this is another exterior angle, number 3. So what is the name? Angle GBE or angle GBC. So this is how you can effectively use this whiteboard for a simple explanation and make your teaching learning process simple. Like children are learning in an online environment, and all the time they cannot just understand when they are listening to you. So writing is important. So writing in the class, you need such kinds of tools. So use it, try it. Thank you so much. I hope this is clear to you. I'm trying to exit this now and closing this particular video.